Hi, it's Stacy, and I'm here to talk about some skincare and makeup trends that I'm seeing across all the beauty community and something that's really going to be throughout the entire 2018. And the first trend that I'm seeing is glowy skin, glowy, beautiful skin. And a lot of companies are really focusing on, minimalism and just having that gorgeous skin, and it all begins there. And it's always began there for me. I have always said to anyone I've ever met that I'm talking to about Arbonne, start with beautiful skin. Because if you start with beautiful skin, it doesn't matter what else you put on top of it. But we'll get into a little later about what some of the makeup looks are. But for me, it all starts here. This is our, Arbonne RE9 anti-aging skincare. If this doesn't look familiar to you, and if you're not currently using the set, you need to get in touch with me because I'll make sure you get a chance to try this, or even if you're long distance, I'll make sure you get a sample. But this is what I've been using for 12 years. This is what makes people say, you're not really 53. Yeah, I am, because I've been using this for 12 years. And year in and year out, no matter what goes in and out of trend, glowy skin is always what you're gonna get with Arbonne. Beautiful, healthy, gorgeous skin. And it starts here. So I can't talk about a trends video without talking about getting your best possible skin, and that's with our #1 anti-aging line, RE9 Advanced. So it starts here, and you need to see me about this because it really is a life changer. And to use it with this product, this is our Ultrasonic Genius Ultra, and this just makes those products more effective, work harder. This is a head that's flat, that heats up, that expands your pores and makes the product go even, into the cellular level even quicker, even deeper, so you're gonna get those maximum results. It makes our fantastic products work even better. So we're all starting there with, gorgeous, glowy, beautiful, healthy skin. So that's #1. Now, the other trend we're seeing is skin that looks like skin, even when you get to the makeup. And again, we've got you covered. We've got our CC cream, and that's complexion corrector cream. It's like a beauty balm, but a little bit smarter. It's got some brighteners in it and some retinol and some skincare benefits. I love it because it makes my skin look like skin. It covers up any little imperfection I may have, and to be honest, I don't have that many because, like I said, I am a diehard for this product line. But everybody needs to, to look balanced and to look, evened out. And this product does it without looking like a mask. And I think it gives great coverage. And if you're a busy person on the go, a few dots of this and you're good to go. I love this product. Again, can't live without it. And then the glow continues. The highlighting trend is not going anywhere. It's very alive, it's very well. And I love this product. This is such a grab and go, beautiful, natural product that you're gonna see continue to be in trend. And this is our Sheer Glow Duo Highlighter Stick. And I love it because one side is a bronzer and it's stick. So today I just have it placed under my cheekbones. And if you are somebody, again, who is time pressed, bop, bop, put it in, rub it in. You can even use your fingers. It's totally fine. That's one end. And again, it isn't a flat, matte kind of look. It has a little bit of shimmer. It has a little luminosity. And then the other side is the highlight. So you can see I have it on here right above my cheekbones. And again, easy, easy, easy. Just on the planes of your face. You can even put it on the tips of your nose. I've even used it as eyeshadow. I've even used it as lipstick. So this is just a really, really great product to keep the glow going. Once you have the beautiful skincare, once you have the very natural but great, in my opinion, great coverage, and your skin still looks like skin, you can enhance it with this product. Now, some other things that are just gonna, make your skin look even better, and of course it's on trend, doing something nice for yourself. Taking care of yourself from a nutritional standpoint. And Arbonne's always been an inside out, beauty from the inside out kind of, company, and which is why I love it. And you guys know, I love the Arbonne 30, and January was a very good month for me. I'm solidly over 10 pounds down, over 10 inches down. My skin is more luminous, I have more energy, my nails are growing, my hair is growing, and the Arbonne 30 is just an amazing lifestyle product. So again, if you're not using this, if you haven't tried it, let me know and I'll make sure you get some samples. So that has been just such a great gift to me in the month of January. And then lastly, I'm back on, I haven't really stopped, but it's really been in full force, my bone broth production. If you don't know about bone broth, you can Google it, or I can actually list a YouTube video that I did, I think 3 years ago when I started making bone broth. I can show you how to simply make it. But it's basically just a very concentrated chicken broth that you make with all organic ingredients. And I just drink it all the time, just like as a tonic, and it's so delicious. And I have, 1 or 2 mugs of this every single day. And talk about helping your gut heal from the inside out, just like the Arbonne 30 products, and helping your skin to look more radiant. It builds collagen. I mean, all of this stuff just works together. So I'd love to see you guys try this, the bone broth. Do something nice for yourself. I think my best gift that I gave myself in the month of January is, I just accepted who I am. I accepted my body type. I'm a curvy girl, and once I just accepted that, I'm losing inches. I'm losing weight. I'm using the Arbonne 30 products. I'm using the skincare. It's a beautiful thing when you can use healthy, beautiful products from the inside out. So January was really great. 21 days to create a new habit. Joined a new gym. Took a Zumba class. I'm doing all kinds of crazy stuff now. Added yoga back into my life. So the key about making changes is to be consistent. So can't wait to see you guys try some of these changes. Can't wait to see what the next month brings. And thanks for spending some time with me, and I hope that you picked up some tips. Have a beautiful end of January, and I will talk to you next month.